Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm making this beautiful abstract painting with alcohol ink and some doodling with markers and acrylic paint. So stay tuned till the end. And these are some safety tips on alcohol ink art. Make sure to pause the video and read it because alcohol ink is a toxic substance. So you have to take care of some safety tips. And for the paper, I use this ultra premium gloss from Staples, and I use the back side of the paper, not the shiny side. And you can also make the same painting in synthetic paper also. But yeah, for this painting, I'm using this gloss photo paper because I'll be using a dryer in between. So this photo paper works well with that. And to blend the alcohol ink, I'm using this isopropyl alcohol 91%, which I got from pharmacy store. And I put that in a small bottle so it's easy for me to pour when I make the painting. So for this painting, I have a piece of wax paper on the side so I can add the colors onto the side. I'm using Glacier, almost like blue, and another color which is magenta. The reason I'm putting it on the side because I can dilute it with isopropyl alcohol. And I also use the third color, Mermaid. So 3 colors basically. Remember, when you want to lighten it up, you need to add little isopropyl alcohol onto the color, otherwise it will become too concentrated. And I use a piece of wax paper, I roll it like that, and then I use that to apply colors onto the drawing paper. This is because I don't want to ruin the brush, and this is easy because after the painting is done, you can just toss the paper and that's it. But if you're comfortable with brush, you can use that also. And this is a totally abstract painting, so just basically laying down the colors randomly in whatever way you like. It's up to your imagination. You can use any color combination that you like if you don't like these combinations that I'm selecting. So now I'm adding magenta. I added little silver also just to experiment, but I'm not sure if it will come out good, but just experimenting. Once these colors are a little bit dry, then I start adding the isopropyl alcohol, and then I'm blowing with the dryer that I got from Amazon. You can also use hair dryer, but I got this from Amazon. And remember, this has mild heat in this dryer, so you have to be careful because alcohol ink is flammable. So make sure to keep it at a distance when blowing, otherwise it may catch fire. But if you have another dryer which is cool air, you can use that to be on the safe side, because heat sometimes it's dangerous with alcohol ink. So feel free to buy another dryer which lets out cool air, or a mini hair dryer also will work fine. Now I'm doodling with some Micron 05, that is fine tip pen, which is 05, that's what I'm using. But you can also use 005, which is even more finer. And yeah, it's up to your imagination. You can make any designs that you like while doodling. I just randomly select some designs and from my imagination and just start drawing away. Now I'm using black acrylic paint, and I dip a palette knife and just draw random strokes like this using the palette knife. And if it is too thick, you can add little water to the acrylic paint, because sometimes the paint is too thick and you cannot draw. So you add a little teeny bit of water and then dip the palette knife, and like I said, it's up to your imagination. You can make any designs that you like.